Hello and welcome. My name is Gary Still and I'm a Senior SAP Business Process Optimization Consultant for RapidX, where I'll be showcasing the power of SAP Signavio process simulation and collaboration for supporting data-driven process transformation. Now, process simulation is a game changer for building a solid business case for transformation. It is by no means an easy task justifying spending millions on the transition to S/4HANA, but by modeling and testing potential changes, organizations can visualize their impact on operations and understand the value they bring before actually committing to implementation. This data-driven approach helps stakeholders justify their investments by maximizing the return on investment by ensuring every change delivers measurable value. Now, here we have some key activities that pertain to the core phases of SAP Activate methodology for transformations. And today I'm going to be focusing on the importance of understanding the value of process transformations before actually implementing them through process simulation and collaboration. Following a fit to standard or fit gap workshop, you need reassurance that the new process delivers value to your organization. So here we are in the Process Manager, which is SAP Signavio's sophisticated process modeling and management tool. Here we have an SAP best practice process, or an as-is process, if you will, with the proposed to-be process following a fit to standard workshop, highlighting the innovation change, which in this case is applying purchase requisition approval automation using SAP Build Process Automation. For further clarity of the change, we can use the process comparison feature with simultaneous scrolling, where the differences between the as-is and the to-be processes are clearly highlighted. But what value does this change actually bring to the organization? For this, we head to the process simulation tool, where we can run a side-by-side simulation of the two processes to understand what the impact of change will bring. First, we run the to-be process, followed by the as-is process, looking at the impact for 1 working week. Here you can see that the to-be process provides a 15% overall improvement in cost savings. For each scenario, you can provide some realistic input values to drive the calculation. So we can compare overall costs, the total cycle time, the resource consumption rates, and bottlenecks. You can view the output in more detail and even download the entire simulation to Excel for sharing. Now, if we return back to the Process Manager, we can preview the new process in Signavio's Collaboration Hub, where we can invite stakeholders to comment or scrutinize on processes prior to approval. Once approved, the process can then be synchronized to SAP Cloud ALM for building, testing, and deployment. A really handy new feature is the introduction of a process fact sheet, which is somewhat taking a leaf out of SAP LeanIX for enterprise architecture, and it allows you to store all of the related artifacts and documents for the process, including links to, for example, a product page or technical specs of the innovation proposed. In this case, SAP Build Process Automation, which we are using for the PR approval enhancement. So what are the key takeaways? In a nutshell, the main takeaway from this demo is that SAP Signavio process simulation and collaboration features are a powerful combination to help organizations build a strong case for business process transformation, quantifying and visualizing the positive impact that can be realized before actual implementation. SAP Signavio gives organizations the data-driven insights and reassurance to focus on change that adds tangible value that will ultimately drive a successful transformation. Thanks for watching.